Hey everyone! What if your mirror could do more than just show your reflection? Smart mirrors are bringing futuristic features into homes, offering everything from real-time weather updates and fitness tracking to augmented reality try-ons and smart home integration. But are they really worth the investment? Let's break it down. Unlike traditional mirrors, smart mirrors come equipped with built-in displays, touch controls, voice assistants, and sensors that provide a customized interactive experience. Some display information like time, weather, and notifications, while others take it further with workout tracking, virtual makeup application, or even health monitoring. Many smart mirrors can also connect with Google Assistant, Alexa, or Apple HomeKit, making them an extension of your smart home. Let's weigh the pros and cons of the product, starting with the pros. Convenient, get time, weather, and notifications while getting ready. Hands-free control. Many models support voice command. Great for fitness tracking with guided workouts and progress updates. Augmented reality for makeup and clothing try-ons, perfect for beauty enthusiasts. Now let's talk about the cons. Expensive, with high-end models costing thousands of dollars. Privacy concerns. Some have cameras and microphones that could raise security risks. Requires consistent updates and a good Wi-Fi connection for full functionality. Customers have left their feedback regarding the product. After considering the features, performance, and user feedback, I'd rate smart mirrors 4 out of 5 stars. They're a great blend of technology and convenience, but the high price and potential privacy concerns make them more of a luxury than a necessity. If you love smart home gadgets, fitness tech, or beauty tools, a smart mirror can be a fun and useful addition. But if you just need a basic mirror, the extra features might not justify the cost. Would you buy a smart mirror, or do you think they're just a gimmick? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews.